Are you thinking about buying Collov, but want to know if it's the right choice for you? There are several things you need to know before making the decision, especially when you're comparing it to other options on the market. Stick around, because I'm going to walk you through 7 key points that will help you make a more informed decision. Plus, I'll tell you how you can get the best deal for Collov and even try it completely free, so make sure to watch until the end. First off, Collov is known for offering a comprehensive and user-friendly platform that covers everything from collaboration to content management, but how does it actually compare to its competitors like Trello or Monday.com? Well, unlike these platforms, which are more task-focused, Collov takes it a step further with a seamless integration of communication tools, file sharing, and real-time updates, making it ideal for teams looking for an all-in-one solution. Next thing, the customization options in Collov are worth mentioning. Many users love how easily you can tailor dashboards to your specific needs. Whether you're running a small team or a large organization, Collov allows you to organize projects, tasks, and communications exactly the way you want them. This level of flexibility is something you might not find in more rigid platforms like Asana. The third thing you need to know is how intuitive the interface is. A lot of project management tools can feel overwhelming, especially for newcomers. But Collov is designed with simplicity in mind. Even if you're not super tech savvy, you'll find it easy to navigate, and setting up a new project takes just a few clicks. It's definitely more beginner-friendly than something like Rike, which might take a bit longer to get the hang of. The fourth thing to consider is integration. Collov does a great job at integrating with third-party apps like Google Drive, Slack, and Zoom. This allows you to centralize everything in one place. If you're already using other tools, you'll find this feature especially useful. It's important to compare this to other platforms, as some competitors may limit integrations or charge extra for them. Now, let's talk about scalability. If your business grows, you want a platform that grows with you, and Collov handles scalability well. Whether you're adding more users, projects, or tasks, Collov can easily expand without losing its performance. Platforms like ClickUp can struggle with this, so it's great to know that Collov has built this capability into their system from the start. Another important factor is pricing. Compared to other platforms, Collov is competitively priced, and it offers various tiers based on the size of your team or organization. While tools like Basecamp or Monday.com might start to get expensive as you scale, Collov offers a more flexible pricing model, so it's easier to find something that fits your budget. Last but not least, Collov's customer support is top-notch. They offer a range of resources, from video tutorials to live chat support, which makes it easier to get help whenever you need it. If you've used a platform like Microsoft Teams before, you know that sometimes support can be slow or confusing. But with Collov, you get quick responses, and they're always there to assist with any questions or issues. So, there you have it. 7 things you need to know before buying Collov. As I mentioned earlier, if you're looking to give it a try, the best offer is available through the link in the description below. You can even get started for free with an exclusive trial and experience the full range of features firsthand. Don't miss out on the opportunity to test it out and see for yourself how it can elevate your team's productivity. Click the first link in the description to claim your free trial today.